females like tend to be up high on the rocks. The reason for that is when they give birth to their pups, the higher up the rocks they are, the less likely their pups are to be washed away by a summer storm wave, which is a big part of their mortality in their first year by the water. Those are subordinate bulls. Subordinate bulls take sites closer to the water. What they're hoping is if a female leaves the high areas to head to the water, they might be able to breed with her when she goes by. At some point the breed will take place, and then the female experiences what's called delayed implantation. Why there's so much plankton in this water and so little of it in places like the Caribbean. Well, there's two major factors. The first major factor, the fjords, and that provides a huge amount of nutrients as well. So it's this condition that's attracting whales, fish, birds, some of these. I'm going to poke my nose over here and see, you'll see the penguin birds in the north. There might be some puffins up in here, some wildflowers.
over there.
Okay, came back up there behind us on the other side of the rock.
How do I put a waypointer in that? Sharp eyes. Oh, there it is.
So you probably saw the weight markings on their side of the tail of the one whale and the other whale had.
They brought them up. I ate it while watching whales. I saw 2 whale tails and I had cookie in my mouth.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you guys very much. You're very welcome. Hey, thanks for coming out today, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for joining us today, guys. Hey, thanks for coming out today.